Your next travel adventure is calling, and we've got the deals to make it a reality. You can save as you plan thanks to RetailMeNot's Spring Savecation event. From March 4th to 10th, we're back with the best deals, offers, and cashback rewards so you can live your best life without breaking the bank. Check out these 3 amazing offers from retailers you know and love that will help you get what you need before you go. Stocking up on skincare and beauty essentials is a must when planning the trip of a lifetime. You deserve to look and feel your best as you relax. Thankfully, Sephora is offering 5% cash back on purchases site-wide. Snag everything you need from makeup to hair care and more. This is the perfect opportunity to shop all the brands you love for less. You can even stock up on fan-favorite sunscreen products like the Super Goop Tinted Sunscreen to protect your skin and enhance your natural vacation glow. If it's been a while since you've indulged your inner jet setter, don't worry. You can gather all the basics you need for the perfect trip from Amazon. Right now, the brand is running up to 50% off travel essentials. You'll find packing solutions, travel pillows, toiletries, and so much more at great prices. Plus, if you're a Prime member, you get speedy delivery so you don't have to worry about shipping times leading up to your trip. Getting new shoes and outfits is one of the best parts of preparing for travel, and this Nike deal makes it even sweeter. Get 10% cash back on purchases site-wide. Shop for the perfect comfy travel outfit and all the stylish pieces you need to elevate your look no matter where your adventure takes you. Thanks for watching our quick picks and happy shopping.